Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to transcribe audio to text on Android for free. If you are using an Android phone and you want to transcribe your audio to text on your Android phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to install a third-party application for this. You have to open your Play Store app, just open it and look for this app in your phone. Just search for it in your Play Store and then tap on install to install the app. And after that, you have to wait for the installation of the app. After the installation, you just have to open the app. Just tap on open and the app will be open in your phone. From here, you have to tap on allow and then just tap on continue with Google, or you can easily create your account with your email. As I'm going to create my account with my Google, so let's tap on Google, and here you have to select your Google account, and after that your account will be ready, and now you can easily transcribe your audio files to text. Here, let's see how. You have the option of upload a file. Here you can easily upload a file, whether video or audio, and here you have to upload from YouTube. You can easily upload something from your YouTube. Here's the option of record and transcribe, and here transcribe online meeting. And let me describe the features. The first feature is that you have to upload a file, whether it's audio or video file, and it will be transcribed. And the second one is upload from YouTube. You have to select this option and then select YouTube video you want, or you can easily enter the link. So the third one is that you have to record and transcribe. The fourth is that you can easily use it to transcribe in online meetings. So I'm going to use this one. So let's try. You just have to select record audio and transcribe. From here you have to tap to start and then you have to allow, and after that you have to allow the app. Just look the app in your phone. Here's that, just tap on it, then tap on allow. And after that, just go back, then tap on allow again. And here you can easily record your voice and then transcribe it again. Just tap on it to stop your voice recording. And here just tap on transcribe. And after that, it will take some seconds to transcribe it. And here you can see that my audio has been transcribed. So that's how you can easily transcribe audio to text on Android for free. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.